How's it going, everyone? John here again with Fit for Knives. Today, we're going to take this knife to the workbench. This is one of the blades that I reviewed in my 3 budget Bowie knife video where I was testing the hell out of these things. Well, this is the, what is this? The Ridge Runner Renegade. The handle started giving way. The scales became loose, the guard became loose. Today, we're gonna take it into my shop. We're gonna get these handles fixed up, get this guard fixed up. We're also going to uncover or reveal if this thing is truly a full tang knife or not. So join me as I perform this task. And then we're gonna do some testing after I get it done to see if my work is legit or not. So all right, let's go to work. Here we go. Hey, we're at the workbench today. We're looking at the Ridge Runner Renegade. This is one of the blades that I had in my budget Bowie knife comparison video. And if you remember, the handle started giving way during the testing. So today, we're going to do a quick video and see what's underneath these scales. All right, let's investigate. All right, here we go. See if we can get this off of here without, I don't want to break the scales. Maybe we can just easily twist them off. Okay, we got something going on here. There we go. Well, as you can see, there are aluminum pins, some type of epoxy, maybe some type of glue. Might be Elmer's. You never know. Might be a wood glue. We don't know. Okay, so let's see if we can get this guard loose here. It loosened up a bit. I don't know how they got that on there. Okay, we got that one out. So yeah, definitely aluminum pins here. So you know what? I believe we're going to be able to save this handle. I'm going to re-epoxy it. We'll just use this. Okay. We need to figure out how we're going to do this here. Let me see if I can tap it. Okay. So there you go. It is a full tang. It's a full tang blade. Nice. Well, let's get these handles reattached. I'm going to sand all of this off and reattach these scales and see what we have. I think it's going to be okay. Now I'm going to go all the way down the tang here to rough it up so we have something to glue to, you know, so that we have a profile there to glue to. Okay, I want to be careful in this area because I don't want to sand through made in China. I think I'm going to leave these on there. Let's just sand around it. And like I said, we only need a profile. So, and I'm using 180 grit sandpaper. All right, so I have the scales all sanded down. I sanded both sides. So, and I also sanded the aluminum pins as well, so that they have a profile, so they'll hold a little better. Okay, so we're going to clean this with some acetone, where we're going to epoxy. Okay, put a little on the scales. Want some back here too. A little on the pin. Be careful here. Clean this epoxy off. Okay, so I've got it all clamped up here with this rig. And everything went pretty good. We have a handle back on this budget buoy. So once it dries, I will clean it up and we'll take a final look at it. Okay, so here we are, all complete. Handle is back together. Everything's very tight. The guard is tight. So it went from what it was before. We have a loose guard there. I don't know if you can see the handle moving, to this. So we don't have any more rattling or anything like that going on. Everything's nice and tight. So I think it turned out pretty good. And we have uncovered that this is a full tang knife, which is a good thing. You know, some of these companies, they fool you with this full tang thing. And I've seen it many, many times before where it's like a partial tang, some kind of skeletonized thing going on. But this one is a true full tang. So you know that the Ridge Runner Bowie, the Renegade, is a true full tang knife. So let's make sure my work is decent, decent enough to withstand some punishment. We'll make it real quick though. Still together. Everything's still nice and tight. So when I was testing the blade, it would rattle quite a bit as I threw it into this. Now, nice and solid. So I was testing the knife by throwing it into this piece of lumber, and before it sounded like this. Now, let's see what it sounds like. All right, we had to get a miss in there, right? All right, everything's tight. I think we can call that a success. All right, I'm glad you guys could join me. This is John with Fit for Knives. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.